Okay, hello everyone. Okay, on this video I'm going to discuss the first law of thermodynamic, and I'm going to explain just recall some concepts from our previous studies in physics. So before we start talking about the first law of thermodynamic, we need to know about the internal energy, and we know that the internal energy for any system it's equals to many types of energy, like here we have kinetic energy and potential energy, and we explained actually kinetic energy and potential energy in before, but here to know that internal energy is equal here to potential energy and kinetic energy, and we know the laws of both of these energies. So we need to know that the internal energy is a state function, and we know, and what do we mean by state function? We mean by state function that mean actually state function means its value depends only on the current state of the system, and is independent of how state has been prepared. So that's mean in other words, like internal energy is a function of the properties that determine the current state of the system. So as a summary for the first law, it's the first law is equal to delta U, which is the change in the internal energy, equal to the heat, which is Q, and work, which is W. And we've explained this, actually we've explained the heat and the work on the previous videos. So and we will actually use this law very in a lot of problems or exercises. But before we apply this law, we need to understand some processes it may come to us in the problem. Like for example, in the problem, maybe it's going to mention some processes in the system. Let's mean the system has already has occurred, or has been under some conditions, like for example under adiabatic process, isothermal process, isobaric process, isochoric process, and also cyclic processes. So I'm going to explain actually these processes on the next video. Thank you very much.